You loved me at my worst. Then I chose to let you go at my best. Best friend, girlfriend, nanay. But most of all, you were my life coach. Pero paulit-ulit kitang nasaktan. Lagi kong sinasabi na hindi na ako uulit pa. Pero I guess hindi ko kayang panindigan. Kahit ilang beses mo kong nahuhuli, paulit-ulit mo kong pinapatawad. Pero may hangganan ng lahat. Lalo na ang pasensya. Kung ang kasalanan mo di na mapapawi ng sorry. Nabuntis ko yung babaeng dapat sana ay one night stand lang. I begged you to please stay with me. This time I meant what I said na di na ako uulit pa. Ngunit alam kong mahal mo ko pero di ka naman tanga. Kaya naiintindihan ko kung hindi mo na ako nagawang tanggapin pa. Galit na galit ako sa sarili ko. Ni ayaw ko nang makaamoy ng alak dahil naaalala ko lang kung paano ko nasayang yung nag-iisang tao na sa akin ay nagmahal at nagtiwala. Sorry, hon. Sorry sa lahat. I guess di ko na mababalik yung dati. But I want you to know na wala sa'yo yung mali. Wala kang kulang. All I wish right now is that you hate me hard enough to move on from me quickly. Because I know you deserve a better man. The kind of man I can never be. Again, hon, I'm sorry. My love, kahit gaano ka kamahal ng tao, kahit gaano siya ka-willing ibigay lahat sa'yo, kapag na-reach mo talaga yung limit niya, sukdulan niya, kahit magmanikluhod ka pa sa kanya, hindi ka na niya mapapatawad pa. And it's good that you know that, Lance. It's good that you respect her decision not to go back. Kung ano man yung ginawa niya within your relationship, she has served her purpose in your life. Nagawa ka niyang isalba sa darkest hours ng buhay mo. Nagawa ka niyang tulungan, i-guide sa worst moments mo sa buhay mo. But now it's time for her to find what's best for her. Again, I applaud you for recognizing that you are not it. You are not the person na deserve niya. I'm not gonna say na you don't deserve anything na ibinigay niya. Kasi tandaan niyo, my love, kahit gaano pa kasama yung ginawa ng tao as to why they broke up, that person will never give more than 100% of what she can offer if wala siyang nakita dun sa tao. If hindi niya nakita yung potensyal, if hindi siya na-inspire, if walang spark, if walang rason para ma-inlove sa kanya. She saw something in you. Something na hindi niya nakita sa iba. Kaya ganun na lang siguro yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. A love that can forgive multiple times. Kasi meron ka nun. Meron kang something to fall for. Meron kang trait na hindi naman nakakapagtaka na mahulog sa'yo yung tao. Pero sana yun na lang yung i-magnify mo, i-amplify mo sa sarili mo, my love. Yung trait na yun. Kung ano man yung naging dahilan mo as to why paulit-ulit kang nagkakamali sa kanya. Kung ano man yung naging dahilan mo kung bakit nagagawa mo pang maghanap ng iba. Sana ngayong nawala sa iyo yung taong naniwala, nagmahal at nag-alaga sa iyo. Sana nagising ka na sa katotohanan. Na sa totoo lang, Lance, kukunti na lang talaga yung taong kayang magtiyaga. Kukunti na lang talaga yung mga taong kayang magpatawad ng paulit-ulit. Matatalino na kasi yung tao ngayon eh. One wrong move and it's done. Kasi right now, people became smarter when it comes to relationship. Marami na ngayong mga contents, mga videos, mga words of encouragement, mga libro that can tell them, can show them, can make them realize their worth. So right now, yung mga taong pumapasok sa relasyon, they know what to look for. Kung ang hahanapin nila is a kind of relationship that lasts. Kasi now they do know what they do not deserve. Ngayon, alam na nila kung ano yung mga red flags that they have to look out for. Watch out for sa isang tao. And once they see any of those red flags, it's done. Pero may mga tao pa rin talaga na naniniwala sa change. Naniniwala sa isang tao na kaya nilang magbago. Naniniwala na may progress within a relationship na kung paano nagsimula maaaring hindi naman ganon kasukdulan hanggang sa dulo. Na meron pang hope na within the relationship, the span of time that they spend together, each of them will grow to a different and better version of themselves. Again, kukonti na lang sila. Sama ko na yung sarili ko kasi magbubuhat ako ng bangko, kukonti na lang kami. Sama ko na din si Boy P, kukonti na lang kami. Na kayang magtiis at magpatawad ng paulit-ulit. Huwag niyo silang ubusin. Huwag niyo silang bigyan ng dahilan. Not to hope. Not to believe and have faith that people can change, that people can realize their mistake and make themselves a better version of themselves within a relationship, that they can progress to become a better person. Huwag niyong ubusin yung mga taong nagmamahal ng buong buo. Huwag niyong ubusin yung mga taong nagtitiwala ng sagad. Do not let things like this happen before you realize that what you are doing is wrong. Kasi alam nyo namang from the start, from the beginning, cheating is never a good thing. Alam nyo naman yan sa mga sarili ninyo eh. You don't need to lose the one you love in order to realize that. Marami na masyadong kwento na makapagpapatotoo na if mag-give in ka sa tawag ng laman, sa taong panandalian, maaaring mawala sa iyo yung taong dapat sana'y pangmatagalan. But if there's one thing that I love about what you said, this shows a side of you na naging malaking puntos para i-back up yung dahilan ni ate kung bakit kanya minahal ng sobra. This kind of selflessness is one of the many reasons as to why minahal ka niya. This part. All I wish now is that you hate me hard enough to move on from me quickly. You deserve a better man. A man that I can never be. Yung acceptance na yan, my love. Yung sign of selflessness na yan. That was one of the many reasons as to why nagpapatawad siya sa'yo ng paulit-ulit. Kasi nakikita niya yung side na yan. So if you can amplify and just focus on this side of you, But then in the future, you'll never have to undergo a pain like this ever again. Again, sa mga lands out there, sa mga kabisyo natin, you don't have to lose the person that you love in order to learn the lessons in life. Hindi nyo na kailangan masaktan. Hindi nyo na kailangan umiyak. Hindi nyo na kailangan maranasan yung pain. It's a simple idea of the principle ng right and wrong. Kung alam nyong mali, huwag nyong gawin. Kung alam nyong tama, yun yung sundan. It's a basic principle. Just always keep that in mind. But Lance, sabi nga nila, everything happens for a reason, and I do believe that as well. Maybe one day, the universe will give you another shot at a person that will love you unconditionally. Pero this time around, ni once, kahit isang beses, wag mo na siyang bigyan ng dahilan para patawarin ka. Wag mo na siyang bigyan ng opportunity para patawarin ka. Wag ka na lang gumawa ng mali ng kahit anong dahilan para magalit siya. Klaro? Klaro.